Hi, here's Casablanca Palisades fan, made in February 24, 2013, 19th unit made that day. You can turn on low. With this Lutron Toggler 3-speed wall control. I did make a video of this fan before, but it was on a dimmer. But now the dimmer has been replaced with a 3-speed wall control. When I first saw that fan 4.5 years ago, it did have a pull chain, but it only worked on low. Because the old pull chain sequence is actually 3 to L, 3 to L to 1, and 3 to 2. And they replaced it with a chain switch that went L to 1, L to 2, L to 3. Meaning if you use the same exact number letter in the slot, it only works on low. And as they replace the pull chain, the old pull chain is probably left on low, if not medium. The pull chain sequence, unlike most fans, goes low, medium, and high. So maybe someone got confused, thinking the first pull is high, so they actually left on low. When it was on, the dimmer was making humming noise, but now the 3-speed wall control is much quieter. It doesn't wobble and it blows tons of air with 188mm times 20mm motor. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.